What's up, everybody? We're about to get a car wash. We just cleaned this car. Let's check it out. I'm not gonna do it by hand. I'm getting too lazy. We got the quarters here. Paying $4 to do this shit. I gotta set this right here for now. Look, everything is easy. Drive through shit. Sensors. I want to go to the big one. Anyways, let's check it out. Find the quarters. Doing basic wash. It's hard doing this while videotaping, but the light is red. It's gonna turn green. Don't fall. Ready? Alright, now we gotta drive this thing inside. Turn right. Woo! Watch this sucker. I just cleaned it. Look at that, I made it like brand new. What's up? Now it's giving it some soap. And it's gonna give it that power wash type of thing.
Lead back, hey, holla if you like your beat down low, sound low.
T.I.
I got you, nigga. Hey, sorry, nigga, what you I'm setting the whole block down. I'm gonna tell you how to kill you like around.
I like my beat down low and my top leg. See me ride 24. I like me down low and my top laid back. See me ride 24. Good morning. Like fucking with me, you can ask the real niggas. Bad bitches.
Watching some television, shouting you never slipping. Got the Beretta and vision and ready to pop the clipping, ready to get the trigger. Ready to show these folks a celebrity. Just to kill us on the automobile with the roof in the time. Police was trying to pursue me. is nothing but gasket. Addicted to fast shit. Just someone on my dad.
Hey, clean it out good. Ah. This is why I don't want to get wet on a sunny day. I want to stay in the AC. Let the machine do the job. Now it's doing the waxing. Look at that. It's so hot outside. It's freaking hot. And my top looks bad. Look at that. It's shining. Now it's green. There you go. I want to see how good this thing did. Let's see how the machine did. Oh, not bad. Look at that. Keep my shit clean. Oh yeah, like brand new. Peace out.